Wee-wee, it's fucking stankin' out here. I think I'm gonna wait till daylight. Shit.
So basically, a skunk decided to spray outside of her house. Now my dad needs to go figure out where it is because it's smelly everywhere. Like, from there all the way to over there.
And be careful. You gonna get fucking...
Man, it reeks down here.
Yeah. Think it's a skunk?
I don't know. It's got a black fucking stripe on it, though.
Well, then it's a skunk. You ready to get sprayed? Here, you record me. I'll shoot it. It's already recording.
Oh, God, this is not going to work out.
Penelope, move.
You just gonna go for it right there, or you gonna drag it out?
I ain't gonna drag it out. I mean, as soon as I drag it, it's gonna start spraying, right?
Here, shine your light on it.
Shine your light.
Yeah, look at that. You can see the fucking black stripe.
Yeah,
but it's awfully gray.
It's pretty gray. It's stinky. It's stinky.
It's not moving.
You think it tuggered itself out trying to get out?
Maybe. Probably fucking sprayed a rat.
Here we go. You ready for this?
No, it's gonna ricochet and shit.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna suck too. Am I shooting blanks or?
No.
How long has this been dead? It ain't been breathing. That motherfucker's been dead. Fuck. Check the other trap. This motherfucker.
No, this is fucking dead.
It's been dead for a long time. God damn. Look at the...
God, it stinks.
It fucking smells. Look at the fur chunks that's been sitting down here through the cage. And you had me thinking it was breathing.
Man, it looked like it was fucking breathing.
Fuck. You think we caught this one before or after the skunk died?
After.
Cool. Well...
But boy, it reeks of skunk under here.
Sure fucking stinks. I'm gonna blame the possum now. Kind of hard to blame the dead skunk.
I don't know, that dead skunk stinks.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix up some liquid and throw it under there.
Cool. Here. We gotta take care of this possum. You think it's alone? Well, shit. You know what's gotta happen.
Man, she's big.
Yeah. Well, she's done had her mouth messed up by something.
Yeah, probably fucking chewing on this cage.
Yeah, that's rough. Well,
She is huge.
that's awful. You ready?
Are you? Oh, yeah, I guess so.
This is, I mean, say your goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.
I noticed.
Wish me luck. Oh. There is another skunk up in there.
Is it alive?
We're about to find out.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
That is a fucking skunk and its tail is stuck. I don't think it's alive.
Yeah, it did a whole lot of trying to dig to get out, but I don't know if it's dead or not. It looks like pretty fresh fur, but it's been working really, really hard at trying to get out of there for a long time, so...
Yeah, that's impressive.
Maybe it finally died last night. You want me to reach down there and grab the cage?
Well, I'm not grabbing it.
Wow. Yeah, I think it's dead. Ooh, it's heavy too.
I was under there for a while. Look at the hole it dug around the pipe.
No, that's been there.
Oh, has it?
No, that whole thing's been there. Shit. 3 animals in one day. Well,
one alive.
1 alive and 2 already dead. One of them we killed twice, I guess. Because it was dead and then it was dead again after I shot it. Shit. Well, okay.